Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Are you stuck between the LG C4 and Sony Bravia 5? Let's break it down. These two TVs sit in different worlds. The LG C4 is a popular OLED TV with perfect blacks. The Sony Bravia 5 is a mini LED TV that focuses on brightness. Both have their strengths, so let's find out which one fits your needs. The LG C4 wins for deep blacks and contrast. Each pixel lights up on its own, giving you true black levels that look amazing in dark rooms. It's also brighter than last year's model. The Sony Bravia 5 can't match those blacks, but it shines in bright rooms. Its mini LED backlight pushes out solid brightness for daytime viewing. Colors look great on both, but the LG feels more cinematic. Now for gaming features. Gamers, pay attention. The LG C4 has 4 HDMI 2.1 ports and supports up to 144Hz refresh rate. That's perfect for fast games. The Sony Bravia 5 only has 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and maxes out at 120Hz. Both have low input lag, but if you're a serious gamer or own multiple consoles, the LG gives you more options. The Sony Bravia 5 has better built-in speakers with surround sound that actually works. The LG C4 sounds decent, but you will want a soundbar. For most smart features, the LG runs WebOS, which is smooth and simple. The Sony uses Google TV, which some people prefer, but both work great. Here's the thing. The LG C4 costs more but gives you OLED quality. The Sony Bravia 5 is cheaper and better for bright rooms. Pick the LG C4 if you want the best picture and you game a lot, but pick the Sony Bravia 5 if you watch TV in bright spaces and you want to save money. Both are solid choices, but let me know which one you choose in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.